Hello guys, this is Chirag and you're watching CS Technical Now. In today's video, I will show you how you can turn any black and white photo into colorful one. So without being late, let's get started. First of all, download some sample black and white images and then head over to the browser and search for DOLBY Algorithmia, or you can just check my description box for the direct website link. Type DOLBY Algorithmia, then search and open the first website. So this is the front page of the website and you can see the sample images are already present here, but I'm going to select my own image by clicking on upload option. Just select a sample image from your storage. For example, I'm selecting this portrait. Remember, the processing time depends upon your image size and the internet connection you have. I was pretty much surprised with the result for the first time I used. After finishing, you will have a comparison photo with you for comparing. Even you can download it directly from the download option. Let's just open the downloaded image. The only drawback I found was that the watermark in the bottom of the image. But hey, you can crop it out. You can even try some sample images which are already present in the website. And I hope you will be satisfied with the results. For example, I'm taking this one. And you can see how easily it goes. I must say, you just go and try yourself. And the website also tells you how this website works. You can go and check it out. Well, that's all for this video. Was that helpful? Do let me know in the comment section below. And also share to those people who are interested. And don't forget to check my other videos. Peace.